Hello, good morning, all of you.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
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 morning,
morning.
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
So today we'll continue with our models. Uh, we are dealing with which model? Must.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So must. Hmm. Okay. So what is the first use of must? Necessity. Okay. So necessity मतलब ये काम करना मेरे लिए बहुत जरूरी है. So like exams are approaching, I must study hard. Can you give example of a sentence where must is used for?
You must cut your nails regularly.
You must go to the airport 3 hours prior to the takeoff.
Okay.
You must take part in the competition.
Mm, okay. You must take part in the competition. Is it a necessity? You must take part in the competition.
मैम शायद यहाँ शुड होना चाहिए.
क्या?
Study for.
मैम इस सेंटेंस में शायद शुड होना चाहिए. You should participate in competition.
Mm, okay.
Ma'am, you must go to the airport early.
Okay, you must go to the
You must follow the rules.
airport early. So we must follow the rules that must can be used, but then it becomes an obligation, duty. So must is also used for obligation or duty. Duty. And must is a very very emphatic word. Emphatic, you understand? Forceful. uh, so when you want to emphasize much on something, then you use much. So give an example of a sentence in which much is used for must is used for obligation or duty.
You must take care of your parents because they are sick.
Ethan, he was too naughty.
Okay, you must take care of your parents. So this is your duty.
You must join the class.
Care.
You must report. You must report the incident to the police.
Okay. You must report the incident.
Must follow
Okay,
limits.
You
Vishakha,
must
you
go
want
to
to say
office on
something?
time.
Vishakha, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. An example, ma'am.
Bolo.
You must have to follow the rules which is given in this pandemic.
Can you repeat? Your voice is not clear.
You
Vishakha,
must follow the rules of the pandemic.
you must fo- you must follow the rules during the pandemic. Yes, it is your duty to. You must follow the rules during the pandemic. Okay. So Must is used for necessity or compulsion. Must is also used for obligation or duty. Okay, then we come to shall. Will हो गया है? Will.
No.
अच्छा.
No, ma'am.
Okay, first will shall. हाँ, तो uh, shall is used in first
Future
person.
tense.
So it is used in the first person to express simple future. Used to express future.
Ma'am, I shall be 14 next birthday.
Okay. I shall be 14 next month.
Shall I join in you in the party?
Okay. Uh, so like in modern grammar, uh, there is a tendency to use will with all persons. So now this rule has been relaxed, that you have to use shall only, because now it has become common to use will also with a first person. But this is the traditional grammar rule, that you use shall with the first person. Then one use of shall is to express the simple future, but shall is also used to express some strong emotions. uh, shall is used in second and third persons. So one use of shall is just to express the simple future, but shall also is used to express some strong emotions in second and
Ma'am,
third persons. So this is the first use. So like threat or command. So
ma'am,
can you
promise.
can you give an example how it is used in second and
Ma'am,
You shall come to school tomorrow, or I'll beat you.
again. You
okay,
shall not enter my house again.
you shall not, yes, you shall not enter my house again. Then it is also used for threat. So one use is for simple future, but other use is also to express some strong emotions. Like threat, you shall be punished if you don't behave
You shall
yourself. हाँ, ये धमकी है. You shall be punished if you don't behave properly.
Ma'am, shall is also used in a promise.
Yes, promise also. I'm coming to that one by one. Okay. So command, threat and promise also. स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशंस में ये तीनों आ जाते हैं. एक तो सिंपल फ्यूचर है और एक है कि स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशंस के लिए. तो स्ट्रॉन्ग सिंपल फ्यूचर in first person, of course now it is a tendency to use will with all persons. So but in strong emotion you use shall with second and third person to express a command, threat, or a promise. Uh, you shall get a promotion.
I shall protect you.
Okay, yes, I.
You shall have a
ये
holiday.
second and third person में है. So
You shall have a holiday.
you shall have a holiday. Yes.
in this pandemic.
For strong emotions, we use shall with second person for all the strong emotions. You shall
Um,
get a present.
you you shall be rewarded.
Yes, you shall be rewarded. This is also a promise. Then then it is used with first persons in questions. Huh? Like shall I help you?
Shall I
अगर हम फर्स्ट पर्सन का क्वेश्चंस देखें तो देयर यू डोंट यूज विल. हाँ, देयर यू यूज शैल ओनली. शैल आई हेल्प यू?
shall I open the door?
ओके. शैल आई
Shall I come?
open the door? Okay. Okay. So
Shall I go to market?
yes, shall I go to the market?
To school today?
So if in questions you use will instead of shall, then it is not appropriate. Huh? Shall I go to the market? So with questions in the first person, will I go to the market? ये सही नहीं है. तो shall I go to the market? फर्स्ट पर्सन के क्वेश्चन में जो है हम shall ही यूज करते हैं. So okay. So okay, then we come to the past tense of shall, that is should. Should. So first use of should is advice. So give an example of a sentence where should is used to express advice.
You should take part in the competition.
ठीक है, एक दोस्त दूसरे दोस्त को सलाह दे रहा है. You should take part in the competition.
You should
You,
complete your homework on.
you
You
should
should
eat.
close the door behind you.
Okay.
You should not drink while driving.
You should not take part in the competition.
You should eat green vegetables.
Yes, you should eat green veg.
You should keep your promise.
You should respect your elders.
You should try to focus more on your writing skills.
हाँ, ये रिस्पेक्ट योर एल्डर्स फिर ड्यूटी या ऑब्लिगेशन में आ जाएगा. यू शुड क्या बोले, ये एग्जांपल ठीक था अभी. यू शुड इम्प्रूव योर राइटिंग स्किल्स. हाँ, ये एडवाइस है.
Try to focus
यू शुड ट्राई टू फोकस.
more on your writing skills.
यस, ओके, दिस इज करेक्ट. फोकस मोर on your writing skills. Then moral obligation.
You should obey the rules.
You should respect your elders.
You should obey the rules.
You should respect your elders.
Okay.
You should cooperate with your parents.
Okay, you should cooperate with your parents. You should respect your elders.
You should know where we are.
Huh? You should?
You should know where we are.
You should
Children
know.
should obey their parents.
Children should obey their parents. Huh?
You should join online classes on time.
Yes, you should join online classes on time.
You should keep
You
your
should
promise.
drink a lot of water.
Yes, you should keep your promise. So, okay, so now you follow. So, use of to. So, must is also used for duty, and should is also used for duty or moral obligation. But must is a more forceful word than should. So, where the emphasis is more, then where we have to emphasize more, then there we use must. Okay, so then we come to our next model, will. So will is used uh, to express simple future. One use, simple future. uh, Example,
I will carry your I will
हाँ,
promise try to be better next time.
ये तो प्रॉमिस हो गया. सिंपल फ्यूचर मतलब ये काम हम करेंगे.
I will
He will
carry
play tennis tomorrow. He will play tennis tomorrow.
Okay, this is simple future. He will play tennis tomorrow.
She will watch movie tonight.
I will go to the basketball court today.
Okay.
I will carry your book.
Okay, so here will is used to express simple future. So one use is this, express simple future. Then will is also to used to express strong emotions. So used to express uh, promise, threat and command in the first person. Shall जो है वो strong emotion second person. Will strong emotion first person. So promise, in फर्स्ट पर्सन में प्रॉमिस का एक एग्जांपल दो.
I will be there tomorrow.
I will take care of her.
I will promise
I
to
will
try
do my best to help you.
कमांड इन फर्स्ट पर्सन.
I will be there tomorrow.
तो प्रॉमिस,
I will do my best to help you.
ओके, आई विल डू माय बेस्ट टू हेल्प यू.
I will try to do best next time.
ओके, यस, आई विल ट्राई टू डू बेटर नेक्स्ट टाइम. आई विल डू
I will take care of the baby.
okay, I will take care of the baby. ये इंटेंशन या विलिंगनेस है, ये प्रॉमिस नहीं है कि आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ। प्रॉमिस लाइक आई विल वर्क हार्ड नेक्स्ट टाइम।
I'll score
I will
50.
not repeat this mistake.
Okay, yes. I will not repeat this mistake.
I'll score 70 above next time.
Okay, so
I
that,
will be honest to you.
okay, I will be honest to you. This is also uh, then
Score 70.
give example of threat. Dhamki.
I will beat you if you don't
I
listen to
will
me.
punish you.
I will punish.
If you say anything, I will kill you.
I will punish you. Kill you कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा है लिखने में। I will punish you if you talk.
I will complain to your parents for this word.
I will complain to your parents. Command phone call.
I will beat you if you do not study.
So will is also used for polite request. So there are many models which are used for polite request. Can, could, uh, may, might. huh? So polite request. Will you please open the, give an example. तुम ही लोग दो example. Polite request.
Will you please close the door?
Okay.
Will you please give your pencil to me?
Close the door. Okay.
Share your pencil with me?
Okay. Will you please lend your pencil?
Will you please help me?
Help me.
Okay. Will you please? Will you please
Will
help
you
me?
please
Will you
will you please bring me pizza?
Okay. Will you please bring me pizza? Okay, so now we will move on to our next model, that is would. So would. So would is the past tense of will. So it is used for past habits. Uh, like oh
I would go to Gandhi Maidan every Sunday.
okay.
would you eat it?
नहीं, पास्ट में मतलब कि पास्ट में हम ये किया करते थे उसके लिए पास्ट हैबिट्स। आई वुड गो टू, so in this you can write things that you used to do when you were a child. बचपन में जो तुम्हारी आदत थी उसके लिए तुम इसको यूज कर सकते हो। हाँ? बचपन में हम ये किया करते थे, एक यूज टू के तरह है इसका ये.
I will go to the park every Sunday when I was.
Yes, I would go to the park, like or I would tear my I would tear my books when I was small. बच्चे करते हैं ना, book अपना फाड़ देते. I would scribble on the walls. uh, mm, I would, small children dirty the walls. When I was a child.
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
I would cry a lot when I was a baby.
Okay, yes, very good. I would cry a lot when I was a baby. बहुत रोते थे बचपन.
I would go to school before this pandemic.
Yes, I would go to school before the pandemic. Okay, so then second use of would, polite request. ये polite request जो है वो common है, बहुत सारे models जो है वो polite request में use होता है.
would you like to help me?
Would you please help me?
Would you
Would you
carry the
like to
bags
read
to my house?
Uh, repeat.
Would you carry the bags to my house?
Okay.
Would you me today?
Would you please carry?
Would you
Would
please
you
call
lend
me?
me your scooter? Would you lend me your scooter?
Okay. Would you lend me your
Would
scooter? Would you lend me your scooter? Okay. Question mark should be. Okay. So. mm,
Would-
So and would is also.
मैं
Ma'am,
विल और वुड का पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट, विल और वुड को पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट के लिए यूज करने में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, दोनों को कहीं भी यूज कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, दोनों को कहीं भी यूज कर सकते हो.
मैम
ये नहीं है
will को
अब
polite request में नहीं यूज कर सकते.
अब विल को भी तो पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट में तो अभी तो हम लोग किए ही हैं. विल पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट, विल और वुड दोनों पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट में यूज होता है. एंड देयर इज नो डिफरेंस दैट you are using it would for the past or will in the present. For polite request, whether it is present or past, you can use would. जैसे अगर हमको प्रेजेंट में भी, वुड तो ऐसे पास्ट टेंस है विल का, लेकिन अभी हमको प्रेजेंट में भी अगर किसी को बोलना है तो हम बोल सकते हैं वुड यू प्लीज ओपन द विंडो. So there you don't have to remember that because would is past, you cannot use it to for a polite request in the present. The same is with could. So like could is used for ability in the past, but when it comes to polite request, you can use could to ask for a polite request in the present also. जैसे अभी भी I can tell anyone, could you please share the screen? So there, in polite requests, you don't have to remember that because this is past, you can use it only in the past. Even past words are used for polite request in the present. So okay, would is the uh, uh, would is used in indirect speech. In indirect speech as a past form of will. एक यूज ये भी है. You in indirect speech as a past form of will. जैसे कि डायरेक्ट स्पीच में अगर विल रहता है तो आ, उसको इनडायरेक्ट कर देते हैं, वुड हो जाता है। जैसे ही सेड आई विल डू द वर्क, ये डायरेक्ट है। So this is direct speech, but when you change it in the indirect speech, you'll use would, like he said that
He would do the work.
he would do the work. Okay, so he said that he would do the work. अब कौन सा बच गया? Can, could,
Ought to.
ought to. Okay, ought to. So ought to. So ought is always used with to. So these words are always used together, then only it gives meaning. So ought to is also used for a moral obligation or duty. So for moral obligation and duty, you use should also, you use must also, and you can use ought to also. So if you have a sentence, uh,
You ought
कि
to help him.
अगर कोई sentence है,
You ought to respect your parents.
you ought to respect your parents. तो अगर if it comes in fill in the blanks, you dash respect your parents. So there you can use must also, there you can use should also, there you can use ought to also. So for moral obligation, should is also used, must is also used, ought to is also used. But must is more emphatic, more forceful. सुनने में ही लगता है must थोड़ा ज्यादा है. Should
Yes,
is a
ma'am.
milder word and must is a more forceful word. So moral obligation or duty. क्या Janvi, what example you gave?
Ma'am, we ought to love our neighbors.
We ought,
We ought to respect our neighbors.
okay, we ought to
Ma'am, we ought to respect our countrymen.
we ought to respect our
You
neighbor.
ought to know better.
You ought to serve the nation.
You ought to help him.
You ought to help him.
You ought to
You-
bear the yoke of youth.
Help the poor. Okay. So तो moral obligation और duty के लिए एक यूज हुआ, और ought to जो है advice के लिए भी यूज होता है.
You ought to wear mask.
Yes. Okay. You ought
You
to wear.
ought to
You ought to complete your
apologize
work
to
on
her.
time.
You ought to wear mask.
Okay. You ought to apologize.
You ought to complete your work on time.
Apologize to her. Okay.
You ought to respect your teacher.
Yes. Advice. You ought to respect your teachers.
You ought to work hard for the exam.
You ought to.
You ought to work hard for the exam.
Your voice is not clear. You ought to lock the doors.
Vishakha said you ought to work hard for the exam.
You ought to work hard for the exam. Yes, it can be an advice. You ought to lock the doors properly before leaving the house. Huh? Leaving the house. Or you ought to uh, lock the doors at night. So,
Mask.
so, so our models is complete now.
You ought to use cycle for short distance.
home.
हाँ, you
Just
ought to
like that.
cycle for sure.
The book
You ought
ought to be very useful.
Yes. Okay. So, shall we do some exercises now?
And the next.
टाइम तो हो गया है, अब एक्सरसाइज हम लोग कल करते हैं, या 4-5 किया जा सकता है. Wait. So, you have to come.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम यूज टू मॉडल है.
हाँ, यूज टू नहीं, यूज टू मॉडल नहीं है. एक नीड बच गया है, तो नीड तो I don't need. I don't think there is much to discuss in that. Need मतलब ये जरूरी है करना, तो इसीलिए उसको छोड़ दिए. Need और needn't एक मॉडल है बचा हुआ. Okay, so this is the exercise. 1 to 5 बनाते हैं. शुरू करते हैं कुछ. So dash you touch your toes without bending.
Can.
Can.
मैम
Can.
can. You can.
Dash I leave now.
should.
Could. Shall. Shall.
Permission. Uh, shall I leave?
Shall.
now? Shall भी हो सकता है. Maybe.
Ma'am, would.
May I leave?
मैम
now?
could.
नहीं, could नहीं होगा.
मैम
Could
should.
or request.
मैम
Yes.
should leave now.
Should I leave now? Should हो सकता है.
Would.
नहीं, would नहीं होगा. Okay, so it dash rain today. What are the models?
Me.
May use कर सकते.
Me.
It
Might
will
will.
rain tonight.
might
Might.
It ought to rain.
ought to rain नहीं होगा. Ought to मतलब
Ma'am,
Ma'am, will.
it will rain tonight.
it will rain.
It will.
हाँ, it will rain tonight. will नहीं suitable है इसमें. ये एक संभावना है, possibility. He dash sick. His eyes are red and watery.
Must be sick.
He must.
He may be sick.
He may be
must-
sick.
He may be sick.
He may be sick. May be sick से ज्यादा suitable यहाँ must be
Must.
होता है कि वो, क्योंकि आंख जो है वो लाल है, watery है, तो